Hello everyone, my name is Sung Ian. Welcome. Today we are going to explore the world of Excel terminologies. Whether you are a beginner or an advanced beginner, understanding these terms will help you master Excel and take skills to the next level. So let's dive in. By starting, I'll first open my Excel document. So I'll click on it. It's here on my desktop. So this is it. So this whole thing that you are seeing in my Excel is what I call a spreadsheet, or it has sheets, which is the same as your workbook, where you can type in your information. So the whole of this is your workbook, where you can do all the stuff like you're performing, maybe typing in names of different people, items, quantity, what and whatever that you want to put in so we are going to know all the terminologies that are used when you are doing your work. So one is a cell, which is one of the terminologies. So a cell, it is just where you are seeing here this cursor. It is just a cell is a single box where data is entered. So this is a box, as you can see. It's a box. You can enter their data. For example, if you are putting names of people, you can decide to start from here. So this is the box. It's a single box where data is entered. So for example, you can type in name. So it means that is the first thing that you have put in this box. So it means that this column will be indicating the names of different peoples. So in other words, it is just a single box where you can put in data, and that's our first terminology. So the second one is a row. A row, what do they mean by saying a row, which is one also of the terminologies? A row, it is just a horizontal lines of cells. So as you can see, I'm going to highlight to show you. Are you seeing how I'm moving my cursor? So that shows that's an horizontal line of cells. It's what they regard as to being a row in Excel. So the whole of this, it is just an horizontal line of cells. So that's it now. So the next is a column. A column is just vertical lines of a cell. So we have seen the row. Now we are going to see now which is a column. A column is also just vertical lines of cells. So I will also highlight and show you what do I mean by saying vertical lines of a cell. As you can see, this whole thing that I've highlighted, I'm going downwards, which is vertical. I think there are different boxes, that regarded to be a cell, but it has very many cells going downwards. So this is that is regarded to be a column in your workbook, So so this is our workbook, and worksheet is a single spreadsheet, which is a worksheet. So a worksheet, as you can see here, they are different. Here down on my left, where the cursor is right now, there are different sheets, but this is our first sheet. So this will be what they regard as being a worksheet. It's the first sheet that you do you are putting in your information first. So will be the whole of this is a worksheet. So when you want to go to the next worksheet, you click on sheet 2. So you see this one, it is just empty. So it means that you are doing, or you can be pasting maybe work from sheet 1, or this is the second sheet. So this is regarded as a worksheet 2. So let's go back to our sheet 1. So, and I told you at the beginning, the entire spreadsheet you are seeing, this is where you can do your work. It's a workbook. So I've been taking you through, there are different terms, but those 5 that we have just listed, they are just basic terms. But we have other data manipulation terms or terminologies that are used in Excel. So I'm also going to take you through that. And one of the terms used in data manipulation is formulas. So you can be designing a report, for example, when you want to maybe arrange marks or feed in marks, or maybe you are adding, multiplying some marks of different students. You can be using some formulas, and those formulas are in this Excel. So I'll be showing you where the formulas are and how you can use them. Working on formulas and how we use formulas in our spreadsheet work. So on formulas, calculations or equations used to derive values. So you can, here I'll show you. So you click here on formulas. So formulas, we have formulas and functions. So in formulas, you can type them manually and feed in and you get any information that maybe any final answer that you want to get when you are performing some calculations. But for functions, just pre-defined formulas that you can use when performing functions. For example, sum, addition. Here is an example on what I'm telling you. For example, it can be when you want to add some different maybe marks in for example, here I can try in this box cell of, say, I can maybe try to put, maybe let's say 20, then this is D, which is 30 maybe. So I want to get here my final answer after adding. So when you want to add them out, you first put equals. After putting equals, you go click on this cell, see, then you place shift, then you put that plus sign in the middle of the two. So when you place on that, then you place enter. When you place enter, automatically it gives you the answer. So this is what I'm meaning by function, predefined formulas that can give you the final answers to any calculation that you are doing. For example, here we added, so let's repeat this and say maybe we want to do what? To multiply them. So it will be, so what, like I said, you first press equals. So you click on this cell C, then you put a multiplication sign. So you press shift, then you put that. So you click on D. When you click on D, this is what it shows. So then after you press enter. When you press enter, it gives you the final result of the working. So that's formulas, functions, on how. And don't worry, I'll be making another video on how I'll be making a report, so you'll see all the formulas on how we can use the formulas. But I've made this video for you just to understand the basic terms and data multiplication terms that are used in Excel. But let me also show you on the graphs, because when you have done maybe a report or a design of anything, maybe you have designed. It can be anything. Let me say it can be a report about something in activities, but when you want to also show that on a graph or a pie chart, so you click on insert. When you click on insert, so you will be having your information there. So you click on, you highlight something that you want to appear on your graph. Maybe it's a pie chart, or like a line graph, or bar graph, or an area, or a scatter. There are more graphs that you can choose. You take that you choose that you would like most. So for example, here are pie charts. When you click on pie charts, they can tell you want a 2D pie chart, a 3D pie chart, or any other form of pie chart. So when you click on even on columns, there are 2D columns, 3D columns, cylinder columns, there are cones, and there are pyramids. So when you also click maybe on line graphs, as you can see, there are all different kinds of lines there. So you can choose one of your favorite. It's not just that, it's just fun. So don't miss out. I'll be making other videos for you on how. So that's it for today. Videos on Excel terminologies. Understanding these terms will help you unlock the full potential of Excel and improve your productivity. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials and tips about using Excel.